This is Cece back with you on the orbit. It's Monday, October 9th. We've got stocks indicated lower. That follows the rally on Friday, where we saw the bounce higher after the initial sell-off on the jobs number. Stocks finished well into the green. We unfortunately had the attacks in Israel over the weekend, and that has oil higher, and that is weighing on stocks. So SPY is down about 0.6%. That's about what options were pricing for the day. So it'll be interesting to see how that reacts after the open. For the week, options are pricing about 1.5% expected move. Going to Qs real quick, it's closer to 2%. And then the same with IWM. And those are the expected moves for the week. In the news, obviously, we have TLT, which has been tanking over the last couple of weeks. May have stabilized in the last couple of days. Stabilized meaning it's only moving about 1 to 1.5% a day, but it's going in both directions. And so this is indicated higher this morning. Also will be interesting to see what bonds and yields do. However, the bond market is closed today. So this is happening in a vacuum until tomorrow. So USO, okay, so now we've got the oil market and we see that's up nearly 4%. And options were only pricing 3% move for the week. So you can see how big of a shock that was to the oil market this weekend. Let's look real quickly at the income from options strategies and setups for the week. With the SPY, we've got, again, the expected move for the week is about 423 on the downside and 436 on the upside. Turning that into strikes on an iron condor at the expected move is risking about 55 to make 45. Of course, these prices will change after the open. Now, if we were to take this and let's say widen it a bit to get, and I'm looking specifically at that put level, if one wanted to take the put level and get that break even down near to where stocks hit lows last week, that's about, you can see on the right, it's about 420.67 there, which is roughly in line with where stocks were. At the moment, that is risking about 70 to make 30. Again, that will change on the open, but this is one way to look for income trades is if the stocks have been volatile, you might want to widen your short strikes. Of course, you have to risk more to make less. You get a higher probability of profit, but that is one way to kind of manage this volatility.